Tbilisi has plenty of restaurants, but this one feels like you stumbled into a secret garden. Ninia's garden is the kind of place you could easily walk straight past. Here we are just outside Ninia's garden, so we're going to go and try some of this homemade Georgian cooking. It doesn't really look much from the outside, but has pretty good reviews, and pictures look pretty good from the menus that we've seen as well, so let's go and have a look inside. Suddenly, the city disappears, and you're surrounded by this wonderfully decorated, almost dreamlike little escape, and then the food starts arriving. We began with a mix of Georgian starters, a great introduction to the flavours of the country, rich, freshy, smoky, tangy, and absolutely made for sharing.
Delightful.
Then came something a little unexpected. Chicken liver pate with beetroot confit. A silky, rich pate balanced with the sweet earthiness of the beetroot. One of those combinations that sounds unusual on paper, but makes perfect sense once you've tasted it. Next up is shkmeruli. I think I'm pronouncing that wrong. Chicken drenched in that gloriously garlicky, creamy Georgian sauce. It's comforting, indulgent, and exactly the sort of dish that makes you want to mop up every last drop. The dish that really caught my attention was the grilled pork belly, served with baby potatoes and baked beets in a wild red plum sauce. The pork was richy and smoky, while the plum sauce brought this sharp, fruity contrast that cut straight through the richness. Oof. And of course, no Georgian meal would be complete without khachapuri. Warm, cheesy, gloriously indulgent. Basically impossible to resist. It was all delicious. Salad, great. Immersion khachapuri, delicious.
There's different types of khachapuri in every region of Georgia. This is immersion, and with immersion cheese, which is not contrary to goat cheese. Sheep or goat cheese, but it's just really good.
So, is Ninia's garden worth hunting down? Absolutely. Because it isn't just the food, it's the feeling of finding somewhere unexpected. A beautifully decorated little hideaway on Tbilisi's dusty streets, serving food that feels both deeply Georgian and wonderfully creative. Ninia's garden, hidden gem or one of Tbilisi's must-visits? You'll have to decide.